how to get your website on Google search engine Shopify. I'm going to show you how you can easily get your website on Google search engine Shopify. There are two main hurdles to getting your site indexed by Google. First, Google search bot. Googlebot needs to find your site and then it needs to determine if your content is worth indexing. To help Google find your site and increase your odds of getting added to the index, follow these steps. The first step is to request that Google index your site. To do this, log into Google Search Console using your Google account. If this is your first time signing in, you will see a prompt to add your domain, which is the main portion of your website URL. For the URL shopify.com, for example, you would enter shopify.com. Now, enter your domain and click Continue. Next, follow the displayed instructions to verify ownership of your website using a DNS record. You will copy the TXT record displayed in the pop-up window. Log into your domain registrar, paste the TXT record as a new DNS record, and click Save. If you have a Shopify managed domain, you can access and edit your DNS setting from the domains page in your Shopify admin. If your store uses a myshopify.com domain name, you will need to add a custom domain before you can access your settings. Googlebot constantly crawls the web for new pages or updated content, but it takes some time for it to find a new website. If a brand new site is a link from known pages, Google might not be able to find it at all. You can speed up the process by submitting an XML sitemap, which is a file that lists all of the pages on your site. Now, sitemaps help Google identify the most important pages on your site, which can improve your search performance. To find your sitemap, type your domain, followed by sitemap.xml in your browser's address bar, following the format shopify.com/sitemap.xml. Now, your browser should display your sitemap. Copy the sitemap URL, return to the Google Search Console, and navigate to Sitemaps. Then paste the URL under Add a new sitemap and click Submit. If your CMS hasn't automatically created a sitemap, you can use a third-party tool like XML Sitemap Generator to create one. It can take Google anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to index your site once you submit a sitemap. You can search Google to check your index status by typing site, followed by your domain into the Google search bar. For example, site:/shopify.com. You will see a list of pages Google has indexed on the SERP. If Google doesn't return any results, your site hasn't been indexed yet. You can try again in a few days.